Hello you all. As you can see, I got some footprints out there. See how deep it was. It has snowed again. It's been snowing since about 2 o'clock. This one started out as maybe an inch, maybe 2. Now it's estimated 4 to 8 inches. Well, it's a fast moving storm. We're going to snow for about 5 hours. We're supposed to get 5 to 8 inches. Or 4 to 8 inches. And this will be coming in about 15 minutes. So, and tomorrow actually I'm trying to run my plow again. I have not done since last year. Actually, since the spring of last year. I've not driven my plow. I mean, I haven't plowed any snow with it. As you can see, it's still sitting over there, waiting. And, I'm gonna put it down over here so you can see what it looks like. I'm just doing mine real quick by hand. There ain't that much to do. And it's not that bad yet. There's a little ice there I gotta watch out for. Yep, there's winter in Colorado, as you guys all know. First half of the season, I think I've said many times before, literally goes lousy for snow. It didn't snow in January. Until January, it hasn't stopped since. As you can see, about an inch, maybe or so an inch, give or take a little bit. You're sitting lopsided. Just so you guys know. There you go, now you're gonna be straight. So, but tomorrow I get to run my plow. Not too bad as I was. I had a couple setbacks. I think I got them all corrected. We'll continue this tomorrow. I gotta clean my driveway off so I can put my trash out. Today's a trash day from Wednesday to Thursday, but the last month has been on Friday, so I don't know what they're doing this Friday. Anybody knows, they use this excuse. You can't get a driver. They use COVID as an excuse. Everything that happens anymore, it's not bad management. I'm really getting tired of it. It's COVID. COVID shipping delays. COVID not picking our trash. It's just over. trying to keep the temperatures. It's going to be a high of 35 tomorrow, which will be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, almost 60 or 60. So you know how that goes. This will be here today, gone tomorrow, or it'll take a day or two for this to melt. And no long time coming. I'll post this video tonight. Yeah, we'll post it. And then when I get up in the morning, how much we get? We got about an inch, maybe an inch and a half now. This is a wet snow, it's heavy. It's a wet, heavy snow, guys. Ain't gonna kid you. But I whined that I wasn't getting any snow. Now it is snowing like it's now snowing on average every 5 to 6 days on average. Today's trash day. As you can see, I've already shoveled, starting to cover up again. I will sprinkle some mag chloride down, see if that slows the stickiness. This is a wet snow, guys, so it may not, it will be a wet one. It'll be heavy tomorrow, especially if we get upwards of 8 inches. I hope not. Hey, it is what it is. Not a whole heck of a lot I can do about it. But it's snowing good now. It started about 2 o'clock. Real light. They got really heavy. I couldn't even see across the front yard. Then it lightened up again. That was about, I don't know what time it is. Hold on, the camera's shaking, guys. It's 5 o'clock now. About 4 o'clock it started coming down like this. But it's snowing pretty steady. They said 5 hours. So by 7, 8 o'clock tonight, this might let up a little bit. Oh, I gotta get my wipers up. If it does, that means I can go out shoveling super early. If it doesn't, that means we're going to be working. I mean, it's all supposed to be done by early morning. Their version of early morning, my version of early morning are two different things. They have not been able to predict the snow here in Colorado. Worth beans. The one we got on the day I went in for surgery, my second surgery, supposed to get an inch, maybe 2. We got 9. The one we got first of January, or 1st of January, New Year's Day, supposed to get, we got less on that one than what they said, so that wasn't too bad. But every one they've missed since then, in February, they've been off the mark really consistently. So this one started out as 1 to 3, and then went to 3 to 6. Now we're 4 to 8. So I'm interested to see what it does here. And I probably got wet shit or stuff all on my lens. Anyway, so there's me shoveling my sidewalk, my driveway. I feel better. I'm not all winded, wore out, which is an improvement, because last time I shoveled, it darn near killed me. Anyway, y'all take it easy. I'm going to spray some mag chloride, see if it doesn't speed up, keep it from sticking as bad. Anyway, y'all take it easy. Like and subscribe to my channel, people, and share my videos. I could use some followers. I got 150 some, I think. I lost a few and I gained a few more. Anyway, share my videos. Tell people I'm out there. Watch my videos. So I get people to watch. I get more analogs. All that good stuff. I love to have 1,000 followers, but I'll never make that in my lifetime. I can't even monetize because I don't have any followers. So I cost YouTube money, which suits me just fine. Anyway, y'all take it easy, like, subscribe. Remember, stay nice out there, people. Bye.